Imagine a workplace where employees thrive, engage, and grow. Sounds ideal, right? This can be your reality with effective human capital management, or HCM. Today, we'll explore how Books365 HCM transforms workforce management, enhancing employee value. Human capital management focuses on treating employees as valuable assets. It's about attracting, developing, and retaining talent. Books365 HCM is a comprehensive solution to streamline this process. Let's unpack the key functions step by step. First up is recruiting and hiring. You can publish job vacancies and collect resumes easily. Identify the best candidates using skill assessments, interviews, and ratings. Next, we have personal management. Have you ever wondered how to optimize workforce costs effectively? Personnel management connects people and operation data seamlessly. It helps you improve both employee satisfaction and financial efficiency. It centralizes workforce data and job management. Centralize workforce data to optimize costs and enhance employee experiences. Then comes performance management. Set clear goals, give feedback, and evaluate employee performance regularly. This supports both organizational needs and individual career growth. Education is a vital aspect of HCM. Books365 HCM includes training management. Schedule training sessions, invite participants, and track feedback to improve training quality. Employee engagement is equally essential. The relations and welfare features create a positive work environment. Manage work incidents, health checkups, and employee suggestions seamlessly. Now let's look at benefits and compensation. Books365 HCM ensures fair, competitive compensation. This boosts employee satisfaction and retention. Imagine you need a new employee to fit your team perfectly. Books365 HCM helps by providing structured onboarding. This establishes clear expectations and relationships early, allowing new hires to thrive from day one. Consider how time and attendance are managed. You can integrate biometric systems for easy check-ins and checkouts. This reduces manual tracking errors and enhances security. Next, let's discuss leave management. Employees submit time-off requests easily. Managers can track leave balances and approvals in one place. For employees and managers, self-service features streamline record access. Employees manage their requests, while managers can oversee team performance appraisals effortlessly. Finally, offboarding is just as crucial as onboarding. Use scheduled succession planning to ensure smooth transitions when employees exit. To summarize, Books365 HCM covers all key aspects of workforce management. From recruiting and onboarding to performance and offboarding, it transforms how organizations manage human capital. Improved employee engagement, enhanced productivity, and data-driven decisions help drive business success. Ready to elevate your organization's workforce management? Visit the Books365 HCM website today to learn more. Take the first step towards creating an empowered, engaged workplace. Contact us at startbooks365